Okay, dear students, last class we are discussing regarding the what defects. In that there are three types of defects are there: stoichiometric, impurity defect, and one more non-stoichiometric defect. In that first one we already discussed. Now we'll move for the second type of what defects. What is that? Impurity defect. That name itself indicates what? There's some impurities present in a crystal molecule or crystal solid. In a crystal solid there is an impurity. For example, molten state NaCl. Okay, in a molten state NaCl, molten state means what? When a heating molecule will or molecule present in a what crystal atom will disperse or ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. That is a molten state. In that, what is that? When it undergoes crystallization, there should be a presence of what? SrCl2. Okay. So here, which is an impurity present in a molten state of NaCl, which is an impurity present in a molten state of NaCl. So here Cr2 plus. So what is the difference between NaCl and SrCl2, strontium chloride? Here positive part should be strontium in a SrCl2 and positive part in a sodium in a first sodium chloride. So here positive charge can replace by another positive charge. If here which is not in what bulk range, idu tumba irudilla, but only the major ಆಗಿರುವುದು ಯಾವುದು NaCl. In that NaCl, some of the Na plus will replace us by the strontium. Okay, Sr2 plus can replace us the what? NaCl, which is a defect for what? That crystalline molecule, which is not perfect crystal now, which is not a perfect crystal now. Why? Because due to presence of what? SrCl2, the strontium chloride. Okay, so here each strontium chloride or each strontium can replace us two sodium atom. Why? Because here just see the charges of what? Strontium as well as sodium. How many charges are positive charge present in a strontium? It should be 2, but here only 1. How the balance by the charges? How can we balance if one strontium can replace us 2 sodium cation? So that's why one strontium can replace us 2 sodium. So it can create what? Defects in a what? Impurity molecules ಅಥವಾ crystalline ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Now cationic vacancy produced which are equal to the strontium. Here vacancy will produce. Why? Because ಇಲ್ಲಿ excess of, so one strontium can replace 2. Okay, here ನಮ್ಮ molecule ಅಲ್ಲಿ NaCl ಅಲ್ಲಿ there should be only replaced by 1. ಒಂದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಟಯೋನಿಕ್ ವೇಕೆನ್ಸಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಚಿಯಂ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಚಿಯಂ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಯೋನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್. ಆ ವೇಕೆನ್ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ it is an molecule having Na plus Cl minus, like Na plus Cl minus. Here I'll write only Na plus now. Na plus. Once the strontium will come, so it will replace us two sodium. So I can write strontium 2 plus. So but how many vacancies are created? Only 1, because strontium is 1 is present, one more should be vacancy. That's why we can say cationic vacancy produced which is equal to the strontium. ಎಷ್ಟು strontium ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು cationic vacancy it can create in a crystalline molecule. One more example for this what impurity, that's also cadmium chloride plus silver chloride. Okay, AgCl. Here also Ag plus oxidation state, cadmium Cd2 plus, same as in strontium ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? cadmium. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Na ಬದಲಿಗೆ we can write what? Ag plus. This is regarding the impurity defects. Now we will move for the non-stoichiometric defect. I already told stoichiometry means what? The particular. Okay, if the compound is there, for example H2O, general example, for example H2O is there. Here H2 and O should be fixed in a rate, proportionality should be equal, but in this defect proportionality should be altered, it should be changed, not an exact proportion. not in exact proportion, that are known as what? Non-stoichiometric compound. Here some of the inorganic compound which are not produced in proportionality, which are not maintaining the proportionality. In this again we can categorize the two types of what? Non-stoichiometric defects, which are so metal excess defect and one more metal deficiency. Here both are what? Considering the metal only. Why? Because it's in solid molecule. Usually solids are what? Metallic in nature. Metal yellow kuda solid agirte except mercury. Mercury in a liquid state. Okay. So metal excess as well as metal deficiency defects are comes under in what? Non-stoichiometric defect. Now we'll discuss one by one. Which is that first one, metal excess defect. Excess means what? Rich. Excess means what? Rich. Metal should be in a rich nature. What is that defect? Due to the anionic vacancy. Due to anionic vacancy. You know the two charges. One is cation as well as anion. Cation should be plus, anion should be minus. Here metal excess, in general metal should be positive. Why? Because it can easily donate their electron. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, due to anionic vacancy, ಯಾವಾಗ metal excess ಆಗ್ತದೆ, there should be a elimination of what? Negative charge. If the negative charge eliminate, that's why obviously it will get what? Positive charge. Positive in the sense what? That should be metal. So metal excess defect due to what? Anionic vacancy. Now we'll go through with an example. What is that? NaCl heated with the atmosphere of sodium. Sodium atmosphere alli, if you heated NaCl, you know NaCl property, it can easily diffuse or decompose into Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, usually in ionic compound easily decompose as Na plus as well as Cl minus. And sodium heated with the sodium atmosphere itself. Hagadre here sodium pure metal state alli ide. Pure metal state yavadu? Sodium. Here again it can split it to Na plus and electron minus. Electron will ejected by heating. Electron will ejected in this. So told, what is that? We told NaCl, it can split into Na plus and Cl minus. This Cl will diffuse to what? Na plus produced by the sodium metal. Na plus produced by the sodium metal. Here electrons also released. I already told electron jotege Na plus. In this anion should be diffused to what? Na plus. So that's why it can form NaCl. Okay, it can form NaCl. So Cl will diffuse to Na and it produce NaCl. Hagadre rest two elements are, or rest two parts will remaining. Which are they? Again Na plus and minus. So here total number of metals increases. Why? Because already in a crystalline molecule NaCl alli Na plus ide, and by the heating again Na plus will produce. Hagadre total number of metal ಏನಾಯ್ತು, it should be increased. So metal excess, there should be metal excess. Electron release. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ electron release ಆಗಿದೆ. Where it diffused? Here if we consider it is an molecule. Here NaCl. Okay, here what is that? Na surface. Generally it's Na surface. Heating ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, it will produce Na plus electron minus. Now told in this sentence, what is that? Cl minus will diffuse to what? Na, and it form what? NaCl again. NaCl. Hagadre this should be vacant. This should be vacant. It should goes out with the Na. Na jote goytu. Hagadre it can occupy by what? It should be occupied by electron. It should be occupied by electron. So ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. There should be what? Electron minus. Here electron released which occupy the crystal lattice. ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ನ Na diffuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. So remaining it should be vacant. That vacant should be filled by what? Electron. Okay, then anionic site occupied by the unpaired electrons. So this site will occupied by the what? Unpaired electron, which are produced by what? Sodium. Here what is it? And this anionic site will occupied by this electron. That electron we can call as an F-centered electron. It should be F-centered electron. F centered electron anta kariತೀವಿ. Okay, and usually it will impart color. Why it will impart color? Sodium metal na ignite ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ it will impart color. Why? Because electron present in a sodium metal, electron present in a sodium metal, in a valence electron should be one electron. Valence electron should be one electron. This electron will jump to higher energy level due to absorption of energy, and which is not stable at that point. What happens? It will back to its original state. That time it will emit energy. ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಆ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಎಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. that energy should be in the form of light. So in a NaCl molecule ನೀವು heat ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will impart yellow color due to particular frequency in the sense what energy ಆ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. then it will impart yellow coloring light. Now next, one more example. What is that? Lithium makes lithium chloride crystal in pink. Lithium chloride crystal na pink color alli irutade. Yake? Due to here again metal excess defects. Okay, metal excess defect. Here also it will impart pink color. Okay, due to a particular frequency we can observe the color. Here lithium can produce pink color, sodium can produce yellow in color. And one more example, zinc oxide undergoes heating, it will produce, don't concentrate on this, you just concentrate these two. Okay, here what is that? Zn2 plus and 2 electron will emitted. Here also excess of what Zn will obtain in a crystal lattice, and electron also goes to the what interstitial site. So in a crystal lattice ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ electron deficiency ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ electron occupy ಆಗ್ತದೆ, then ಎಲ್ಲಿ positive charge required ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ Zn will occupy. This is regarding the what? Metal excess defects. Okay, metal excess defects. Okay, next we will move forward. Metal deficiency. The name itself indicates what? The nature of these defects. What it says, deficiency means less. Okay, kadime ide anta artha. Here less amount of metal present in a proportion. In general agi formula noduvaga it should be like this. For example, FeO is the best example. So here what is that? Positive part should be always metal. This should be in a less amount. ಅದರ ಕೊರತೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the range of this molecule here? Fe 0.93 O means oxygen here. Okay, to Fe 0.96 O. Okay, here which is not complete. ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೈ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? It can exhibit two types of oxidation state, +2 as well as +3. Here Fe3 is missing to loss of what? Positive charge of Fe3 plus. Okay, here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು? You just concentrate on what? Which is not in a equal proportional, and example for metal deficiency defect is FeO, and the range should be what? Not in a complete. It should be in a what? Less than one complete molecule. So it is an metal deficiency defect.